This channel has gained almost 3 million subscribers in just 81 videos, and see the views it is gaining over 4 million, 6 million and also 13 million. According to vidIQ, this channel is earning over $55,000 shocked in this video. I will teach you how to make videos like this. This video is easy to make and is monetizable. It only takes 2 minutes to create these videos, and in the end I will tell you how to make these videos monetizable and actually tell you how to remove that Gemini watermark. In this video, I will provide you a complete master prompt and step-by-step roadmap. If you skip one step, your video will be flopped, so watch the full video. Now, let's start first. Go to description and copy this Roblox video master prompt. It will help you create amazing stories and visual. Now, copy this. Now come to ChatGPT, pass this prompt and send it now. ChatGPT will give you the title and visual video prompt, which will help you create amazing stories. And also it will give you dialogues now. You don't have to create every single dialogue yourself. AI will do this also. ChatGPT will provide you description, SEO friendly hashtags, tags will boost your video performance. Now copy this prompt one by one, and now your half work is completed. Now, as usual, go to Google Flow and paste your first prompt. I removed that part because everyone knows it now. Here, your actual works begin. Now, video is ready. Let's go and check it out. See how
what
good
is
the
this?
I don't know. It's glowing.
result is
It's
with voiceover.
glowing.
And now download it, then go to the last part of the video and take a screenshot,
look.
and then paste
What
that
is this?
screenshot in Google Flow and paste your second prompt. It will help Google Flow. Start the video from the last part. It will match the whole story, and it doesn't look like created by AI now. Repeat all the steps and generate other videos. Yeah, I remember that I said that I will teach you how to make these videos monetizable. I am going to upload a video after this, and maybe while you are seeing this video, that short have uploaded. Yes, I made a